The hottest AI repos on GitHub this week, the fastest risers, and the ones builders are actually cloning right now. Counting down the very best of the week, let's get into it. Kicking off at number 7, Cangjie-skill. You know that book or 3-hour podcast you keep meaning to actually use? This turns it into a working agent skill. Feed it high-value content, a book, a long video, a talk, and it distills the ideas into an executable skill your coding agent can run. Instead of notes you forget, you get automation you keep. For builders, it's a fast way to package expertise into tooling. For everyone drowning in saved-for-later tabs, it's knowledge that finally does something. 3,500 stars in a week, MIT licensed, and just getting started. Number 6 belongs to OpenAI Codex. It's a lightweight coding agent that lives right in your terminal, no heavy IDE, no browser tab. Point it at your project and it reads, plans, edits, and runs commands, all from the command line. Written in Rust so it's fast and it stays out of your way. Use it to knock out a refactor, wire up a feature, or fix that failing test without ever leaving the shell. For builders, it's a frictionless pair programmer. For teams, it slots straight into existing workflows. 99,000 stars and Apache licensed, a heavyweight hiding in a lightweight package. Halfway home at number 5, openinterpreter. Here's the twist. You don't need an expensive frontier model to get a real coding agent. It's been rewritten in Rust and tuned for cheap open models like DeepSeek, Qwen, and Kimi. Point it at a code base and it plans, edits, and runs commands in your terminal. No $1,000 API bill. It speaks the agent client protocol, so it drops straight into editors that already support it. For builders on a budget, that's frontier-style automation at open model prices. 67,000 stars, Apache licensed and shipping fast. Cracking the top 4, OfficeCLI. Every AI agent hits the same wall the moment it needs to touch a real Word doc, Excel sheet, or PowerPoint deck. This fixes that. It's an Office suite built for agents, read, edit, and automate docs, XLSX, and PPTX files, all from one single binary with no Microsoft Office installed anywhere. So your agent can generate the quarterly report, update the spreadsheet, or build the slide deck entirely on its own. For builders shipping document automation, it removes the ugliest dependency in the stack. 19,000 stars, Apache licensed and free. On the podium at number 3, Orca. Running one coding agent is old news. Orca runs a whole fleet of them in parallel. It's an agent development environment that orchestrates Cloud Code, Codex, Cursor, and more, each in its own worktree, all on your own subscription, no extra keys. Kick off 5 tasks at once, watch them work, and merge the ones that land. It's on desktop and mobile, so you can start a job from your phone and review it later. For builders, that's serious throughput. Ship more without cloning yourself. 22,000 stars, MIT licensed, and YC backed. Just missing the top spot. Number 2 is Vibe Trading. It's your personal trading agent, built as a team of specialized AI agents that research, strategize, and backtest together. Describe the strategy in plain language, and it turns your idea into something you can actually test against historical data before you risk a single cent. It ties into live market data through MCP, so it pulls real numbers, not vibes. For quants and curious builders alike, it's a sandbox to prototype and stress test ideas fast. Just remember, backtest results aren't promises. 25,000 stars, MIT licensed, and moving quick. And our number 1 this week, Hallmark. Everyone's shipping AI-built apps, and they all look exactly the same. Generic gradients, that unmistakable AI-slop look. Hallmark is a design skill that fixes precisely that. Drop it into Cloud Code, Cursor, or Codex, and it teaches your agent to generate genuinely good-looking, distinctive interfaces instead of the default template soup. So the app you vibe code in an afternoon actually looks like a designer touched it. For builders, that's the difference between a throwaway demo and something people trust. 13,000 stars in a week, the fastest riser on the whole board, and easily the most useful. MIT licensed. That's the board this week. New repos break out every single week, so subscribe and catch the next top 10 before everyone else does. See you next Sunday.